feel the light on my skin. I see myself in a place I've never been. No longer scared, no longer alone. I am home, I am home. I'm finally found, finally free, content and at peace from the wars that have built up inside of me. I'm finally found by a wish that came true, that someday I'd be finally found by you. Thought I'd lost my voice, but it was here all along, just waiting for me to discover my song. The tune is familiar, but the words feel new, and now I sing them for you. I sing them for you. I'm finally found, breathing again, filled with the knowledge and wisdom I could have used back then. I'm finally found by a message that somehow got through and allowed me to be finally found by you. Dreams are only a place from which we start. Mine was a whisper that grabbed a hold of my heart. I've never loved anything as much as you, so I tried to let go, 'cause I didn't want to lose you too. And now I see it took all of me, and just when I'd given up hope, I'm finally found. Done trying to hide, ready to stand on my own, but grateful you're by my side. I'm finally found. I guess I somehow always knew that someday I would be finally found by you. And just maybe